Hello viewers, hope you're doing well. Today in this video, I'm going to create image model and the image route in our Node.js application. So let's get started. So I'm going to create a new folder with the name models. After that, I'm going to create a folder for the image route. So let me create here the folder with the name routes. Inside the models package, I'm going to create a new file with the name image model.js. Inside this file, I'm going to import here the Mongoose and the schema. So it will be from Mongoose. After that, I'm going to import here schema from the Mongoose. After importing these, I'm going to define here the schema with the name image schema. So it will be a new schema. Inside this, we have a properties. First, we have title. Second, we have posted by. Third, we have the URL. At the last, timestamps. So the first that we have a title. That is a type of a string. Let me add here the type. After that, we have a property that is a required. That is a true. Second, we have the posted by. Third, we have the URL. After these, we have a property that is a timestamps. That we have a true. This option automatically adds two additional fields created at and updated at to the schema. Mongoose will manage these fields and update them whenever the document is created or modified. After creating the schema, I'm going to create here the model. So it will be a mongoose.model. Inside this, we have to pass here the name that we have this. After that, we have to pass here schema, that is a image schema, and we have to export this model. So it will be a module.exports is equals to image. After that, I'm going to create a new file inside the routes package with the name image route.js. Inside this, I'm going to import here express. After that, I'm going to create an object of the router. So it will be a express.router. And we have to export this. So it will be a module.exports is equals to router. Now after that, I'm going to create a new file inside the config package with the name firebase.js. Inside this, I'm going to write the functionality to initialize the admin SDK and the Firebase storage bucket that we have to use to interact with the Firebase to create and the read file. So let's go to the Firebase console, and I'm going to get this code from the service accounts tab. Let me add here. We have an import that is the admin from the Firebase admin. Let me update here the path that we have the config.js. So we have to get the service account and the Firebase storage bucket name from the config file. As you can see, we have to import these. First, we have the Firebase admin. Second, we have the Firebase storage. Now, after this, we have to initialize the admin SDK by passing the service account. After that, we have to initialize the storage bucket. Let me pass here Firebase storage. After initializing these, I'm going to set up the bucket. So it will be a const bucket, and it will be a from admin.storage.bucket. And we have to export the bucket. So it will be a module.exports. So that's all for now from my side. If you have any confusion, you can do comment. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.